Good morning, students. Welcome to your Data Communication and Computer Network class. In the previous class, I have discussed about line coding, and in this class, I will discuss about block coding. After completion of this video, student will able to know about block coding and scrambling. So let's start. As we know, to convert the digital data into digital signal, there are two methods, line coding and block coding. In line coding, I have discussed about unipolar, polar, bipolar, multi-label and multi-transition scheme. And today I will discuss about block coding. To convert the digital data to digital signal, we can also use block coding. So let's start. Block coding is normally referred as MB by NB coding. MB here represent with the input data bit that can replace with N bit output bit. This is input bit, this is output bit. Okay, so MB/NB coding, it replaces each M bit group with an n bit group, means m bit group replaced with n bit group. So it is known as block coding, means a block of input bit will replace with a block of output bit. In this block coding, the first scheme is 4 bit by 5 bit. Okay, 4 bit by 5 bit. 4 binary bit will replace by 5 binary bit. In 4B/5B encoding, the 5-bit output that replaces the 4-bit input has no more than one leading zero and no more than two trailing zeros. Means in the 4B/5B encoding, the 4-bit block will replace with 5-bit block, and the input has replaced by 5 bit, the 4 bit input will replace by 5 bit, and it has no more than one leading 0 and no more than two trailing 0. Means when different groups are combined to make a new sequence, there are never more than 3 consecutive 0. Okay, so this is the table of 4-bit input that can replace with 5-bit output. Here in this column there are 4-bit input data sequence, and that can be replaced with this 5-bit output sequence. So let us consider an example. The data is 1001, 0110 and 1110. So first of all, divide into 4-bit group. So first group is 1001. Okay, so 1001 can be replaced with, in the table the replace bit is 10011. Okay, so it can be replaced by 10011. Then the next is 0110. Okay, so here in this table 0110 can be replaced with 0110. So here 0110. So this 4 bit will replace with this 5 bit. Then again the last 4 bit is 1110. So 1110 in this table it is replaced by 1110. So 1110 will replace by 1110. So by this way it can generate the new output that is 10011 01110 Okay, so in this method a block of 4 bit can be replaced by 5 bit output. So it is known as 4B/5B encoding. Then in the next block coding, the next scheme is 8B by 10B, 8 binary/10 binary. This is similar as 4B/5B encoding, except that a group of 8 bit of data is substituted by 10 bit code. Means here the input is 8 bit. Okay, input will be 8 bit and it will replace by 10 bit. It provides a greater error detection capability than 4B/5B. The 8B/10B block coding is actually a combination of 5B plus 6B and 3B plus 4B. Okay, 5B plus 3B means 8-bit input and 6B by 4B means 10-bit output. So it is a combination of 4B/6B and 3B/4B encoding. So this is block coding. Next, there is a scheme known as scrambling. So scrambling is a technique that doesn't increase the number of bits and does provide synchronization. Okay, here the bits are increasing in block coding, but in scrambling there will be no increasing in bit number, but it provides synchronization. Problem with technique like Polar in alternative mark inversion is that continuous sequence of 0 creates synchronization problem. So in Polar method, the continuous 0 can create synchronization problem. So the solution is scrambling. So there are two common scrambling technique like B8ZS bipolar with 8-0 substitution. So B8ZS means bipolar with 8-0 substitution. Then next method is HDB3 high density bipolar 3-0. So let us discuss one by one. So first scheme is B8ZS bipolar with 8-0 substitution. This technique is similar to bipolar AMI except when 8 consecutive zero label voltage are encountered, they are replaced by sequence 000 VB, 000 VB, then 0 again VB. Okay, when there are 8 0, that is replaced by 000 VB 0 VB. V means violation. Is a non-zero voltage. V means a non-zero voltage, which means signal have the same polarity as the previous non-zero voltage. Means V will be of the same polarity as the previous non-zero voltage have. Okay, thus it is a violation of general AMI technique. And B means polar, also a non-zero voltage label, which is an accordance with AMI rule. Means it B is according to the AMI rule, that is opposite polarity from the previous non-zero voltage. Just opposite polarity means it will be opposite of the previous polarity of the non-zero label. So let us consider an example. Here 1 with 8-0. So first of all 1 is positive, then the 8-0 can be replaced by 3-0 and V will be same as the previous non-zero voltage. The polarity is same as the previous here the previous non-zero is 1 and 1 is positive. So here V will be positive. Here V will be positive. Then B will be alternate. So V will be negative. Again here V will be same as the previous non-zero. So B will be negative and B will be positive. Okay. So by this way the bipolar with 8-0 substitution work. So if here the another figure shows that if 1 will be negative, then 0 will show as the 0 voltage, and again the fourth 0 will represent V, that is same as the voltage of previous non-zero voltage. Here the non-zero voltage is negative, so here B will be negative and B will be the opposite, then B will be the positive. Okay, then again 0 represent the 0 voltage, V will be same as the previous voltage. So here V is the positive, so V will be positive. Again B will be alternate, so B will be negative. Okay, so this way the B8ZS work. Then the next scheme is SDB3, high density bipolar 30. In this technique, 4 consecutive zero label voltages are replaced with sequence 000V, 000V or V00V. Means if there will be a sequence of 4 0, it can be replaced with 000V or B00V. Next, rule for using this sequence are: if the number of non-zero pulses after the last substitution is odd, if the substitution is odd, the substitution pattern will be 000V. Okay, this is for odd. Maintaining the total number of non-zero pulses even. If the number of non-zero pulses after the substitution is even, okay, after the last substitution, if the non-zero is even, then the substitution pattern will be B00V. Okay, hence even number of non-zero pulses are maintained again. So the data example is double one, then 00001, then 000000000. Okay, so let us consider here 1 will be represent positive, then next one will be represent negative. Okay, so first there are 2 1 means even substitution. So if the last substitution is even, the pattern will be B00V. So here it will be B00V. Then after that 1 means here single one, then after that there are 4 0 continuously. So it will be for odd, it will be 00V. So it will be 00V. Okay, so next here again, then B, then again there are 4 0, and 4 0 means here it is the last replacement is even, so it will be B00V. So this way the HDB3 works. Okay, so these are the method of scrambling. So in block coding and in scrambling, we use block of bit and replace with the signals. So by this method, the digital data can convert into digital signal.